This video is a comparison of Buddipole tripods in their folded up state for travel. Just so there's a lot of videos of systems deployed, but travel is also an important consideration. So how big are they? So here is the original Buddipole 16-foot mast that I have from about 2005, and it's been through many winters in the Pacific Northwest and is still doing excellent. This is a 16-foot mast, or about 5 meters when deployed, and it's still nice and compact, nice and portable, and standing up very, very well to the elements. It's just looking here, it's about a meter long. A meter is about 39 inches, or 3 feet 3 inches. So it's about a meter long when collapsed and transporting. Next to it is the smaller, more portable Mastwerks, the smallest system, which I believe is 4 meters. You can see that's about collapsed. It's about 0.8 of a meter, or 80 centimeters. And then next to it is the Mastwerks 7-meter tripod, which is just about a meter long, a meter let's say 2.5 meters when collapsed. And next to that is the Buddihex collapsed. So when you look at those two, they're about the same size collapsed. They fit nicely in their own bag and are great for transport. I chose the 7-meter Mastwerks because collapsed, it's similar to the Buddihex in length, and that's easy for me when I'm transporting it. Or I thought the 10-meter Mastwerks was a little long for me when I'm transporting these things. Anyway, that's just a quick comparison of Buddipole tripods, including the Mastwerks system and the Buddihex in their collapsed state. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. 7-3.